Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annie. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I'll be showing you step by step how I achieved this look. Without further ado, let's just get on to the video. So the first most important step is to wash the face, and after I'm done with that, I'll just make sure that I clutch all my hair back. Next step is moisturize your face. For that I'm using Neutriderm. You can use any other moisturizer whichever suits you. So apply all over your face and your neck. For primer, I'm using Nykaa's Prep Me Up primer, and you just need a little bit of it because you need to apply it only on the areas where you feel you have open pores. So I have just applied it and I have just spread it all over my face. For foundation, I usually use Maybelline Sun Beige shade, and this time I'm going to mix Toffee shade as well because I feel I've got little tan. So I'm going to mix both the foundation and get the shade right and apply. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, you have to moisturize your lips as well. So with the help of a damp beauty blender, I'm going to just spread the whole foundation all over my face and my neck. And I'll also pull my hair back and blend it in the hairline so that the shade difference is not visible. Now for concealer, I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm just going to apply in the inner corner, outer corner, and on my mole and my acne scars. And I'll just use the same damp beauty blender and I'll just blend it all over. The blending process needs time, so make sure that you do it very patiently. And for today's eye makeup, you really don't need multiple brushes. All you need is just one brush, and I'll show you how to do it. I'm going to use Nykaa's Beachside Peach eyeshadow palette, and by the way, I had dropped my palette by mistake and two of my colors got damaged, and it's really heartbreaking. So be very careful when you handle your palettes. And I'm using this masking tape to get a very neat eye work done. First, I'll take the dark brown shade and I'll dust off the excess, and I'll patiently apply it in the crease area. I'll apply and blend it only in the rainbow kind of section which we have in our eye area, and I'll not go above that. It's very important that you maintain a gap between your eyebrow and that crease area of yours, especially if you have hooded eyes. Now this step is optional because I feel like having little smoky effect to my eye work today, so I'm going to take little bit of black and I'll apply very little amount in the corner of my eye. And if you don't want the smoky effect, you can skip this step. By the way, I have not changed my brush. I'm using the same brush, and when it comes to black color, make sure that you take very little and apply it very carefully, otherwise it will spoil your eye look. For eye makeup also, blending is a very important task, otherwise a clear line between two colors will be seen which won't look good. Now I'll take this pretty shimmery shade, and this is more like a rose gold kind of color. With the help of my finger, I'll just take little and I'll apply it on my eyelid, and you will see how beautifully it's changing the eye look. I'm already loving it. So I'll just take some more and I'll apply it on both the eyes. And when it comes to shimmery shade, you can just apply it with the help of your finger. That itself will give you a very good coverage. And then after that, you can just blend it with the brush so that the clear sharp lines are not visible. Use the same brush, and remember you have to wipe it off and then use it, because earlier we had used the black color, right? So don't forget to wipe off the brush and then use it for blending. Now the eye makeup is done, so I'll remove the masking tape. Next, I'm going to use kajal to apply on my waterline and tightline my eyes. By the way, if you're not a kajal person, then you can use a dark brown eyeshadow color and just apply it below your waterline area. Now comes the next and the most important step according to me, that is filling your eyebrows. And I really feel it's very important because it gives a very nice structure and frame to the face. If you're someone who is already blessed with a great eyebrow, then good for you. But if you're someone who is having a scanty eyebrow like mine, then filling up the eyebrow just changes the entire game. Just try it out. For eyeliner, I'm using this Lakme Insta eyeliner, which is my all-time favorite. I'm just going to start with making a wing outside, and then I'll slowly draw a very thin line inside. I have hooded eyes, so I prefer drawing a very thin line inside. For blush, I'm using the Sugar's Coral Climax. It's a very beautiful peach shade, and I think it will suit all the skin tones. So with the help of my finger, I'll just take some and start applying on my cheek and blend it as well. Since I'm done applying all the cream based products, so it's time for me to pack it up. So I'm going to use this compact powder of Fit Me, and I'll just apply it all over my face and my neck, and I'll just pack the entire base. For contouring, I'm using the Sugar Stoke Topper shade, and with the help of a thick brush, I'll take some, dust off the excess, and then I'll just apply it near my ear area and then bring it downwards and blend it really well. Actually, the face looks very flat after the foundation, so the blush and the contour gives a very good structure to the face. And here is one sample of unexpected problems that life throws at you. And what do? We just fix it and we face it. Now for mascara, I'm using the Sugar's Black with a Bang and I'll apply it on my lashes. For fuller look, I prefer applying double coat of it. Especially if you're not using false lashes, then this really helps a lot. Now we have a guest appearance here in my video. So say hi to the whatever insect that was. After applying double coat of mascara, I'm going to apply the lipstick. For that, I'm using Faces Canada's Temptation shade. It's a nice beetroot kind of dark shade and I just feel like making it a shade lighter. For that, I'm using a nude lipstick and this is Nykaa's Matte+Poreless Lip Crayon in the shade Real Deal. So applying this will make it a shade lighter. Now I think it's perfect. For highlighter, I'm using this Wet n Wild's Precious Petals and it's a beautiful highlighter. It doesn't have those big chunky glitters. It has very fine glitters which gives a very glowy and natural look. So I'll apply it on my cheekbones with the help of my finger and blend it really well. Then I'll apply some on my Cupid's bow and I'll apply some on the nose tip as well. And I have a cleft chin, so I really don't prefer applying it on my chin area, but if you want, you can always apply some highlighter on your chin as well. Now next I'll apply it on my eyebrows area. It really looks good and you can just blend it really well. So that is it, I'm done with my entire makeup. To complete this look, I can wear these big Chandbalis and I know it will be perfect for the occasion and for the look. So I would prefer something light and beautiful. So here is the set from Zaveri pearls and I have attached the link in the description. So that is it guys, we have come to the end of this video. I really hope you found this video useful and if you did then please take a moment to subscribe and also like this video and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever my next video is up on the channel. I'll see you guys soon in the next video and before I go, if you want to follow me on Instagram then my Instagram handle will be somewhere here. I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. So by now I clearly... Sashi, please. No, please don't come. No, please. Tuko, don't do that, Babu.
Tattoo, what do you want? Why are you troubling me, baby?
And also like this video and also hit the bell icon. So, yaar. To reach there and reach there, yeah. And what else?